I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, May 16th, 2025. Over half a year after the incident, the OPP have laid charges in connection with a fatal multi-vehicle collision that occurred on the 401 in the Greater Napanee area in September of last year. The collision involved 2 transport trucks and 3 passenger vehicles, and 1 person was pronounced deceased at the scene. On Thursday, May 15, 2025, the OPP detailed that on Thursday, May 8th, Gerretsen, a 25-year-old from Brantford, was arrested and charged with dangerous operation of a motor vehicle causing death and 2 counts of dangerous operation of a motor vehicle causing bodily harm. Mark Garrettson says he's excited and ready to crack the whip in his new role in the Liberal minority government. The re-elected MP for Kingston and the Islands has been named Chief Government Whip and will step into that role when the 45th Parliament begins on Monday, May 26, 2025. Last week, a package containing contraband and unauthorized items was seized at Joyceville Institution. On Friday, May 9, 2025, the package seized included tobacco and shatter, with an estimated institutional value of $161,000. This was the 3rd seizure of contraband and unauthorized items at this multi-level institution within the year. 3 students from St. Lawrence College have earned medals at the Skills Ontario competition, which took place May 5th to 7th, 2025. The college was represented by a total of 11 student competitors across various technical disciplines, demonstrating SLC's commitment to excellence in skilled trades and technology education. Ayub Ukaha captured gold in the web design and development category, while Gerretsen and Ty Sleman each claimed silver medals in masonry and precision machining, respectively. A week after those at the Adelaide Street Shelter were bused to another City of Kingston facility for the night, the homeless shelter located at 38 Cowdy Street has reopened for both overnight shelter services and day services. The Rideau Heights Community Center was only in use overnight on May 7th and 8th, with people bused back to the Adelaide Street Shelter in the morning. On Friday, May 9th, 2025, the city moved the overnight shelter services to the Memorial Center, where it was run until repairs were completed, which they now are. Victoria Day weekend is often considered the unofficial kickoff to summer. While the weather doesn't always cooperate, the long weekend is often a chance to gather with family and friends, get outside, or simply take some time to relax and recharge ahead of the busy summer months. As always, Kingstonist brings you a list of what's open and closed over the long weekend, as well as information regarding affected city services. For more on this story and other local news, visit kingstonist.com. Use my code SARAHB2025 for 10% off.